You want to see how my gears go from this to this. And continue watching. So hey guys, welcome. Today's video is exciting. We're trying new products and this is amazing. Let's gonna blow up this 2021 with the best products ever, and let's gonna take care of ourselves, our goals, and all that stuff. So yes, this product is so amazing. I have been blowing up on all the media, Instagram and TikTok. So I was like, I need to try it, but what brand can I use? So tend to be flustered because they sent me this. And today we're gonna be trying the InfinitiPRO Conair the Knot Dr. Oh yes! So stay tuned and let's gonna read this amazing product. So I'm gonna be ensemble for you so you have the idea how it is. It's really easy, guys. So you just put this on here and hear the sound. That's it, ready to be. It has 4 settings and it has high, low, cool, and off. I think the cool air is the best. So if you want to disconnect, you just plug those 2 buttons here and here it is. This is like a dryer, normal dryer for the air blow, so it's amazing. So here is the brush, guys. The dryer brush is amazing. The whistle really look like flexible. This is the 3 settings and it brings this to give volume to the roof. So this brush is made with thermal ceramic, and if you want a salon blowout, this is all you need. Aquí está el producto, tiene sus cuerdas muy flexibles, trae los 3 settings, trae aire caliente, alto, bajo y aire frío, que es muy importante, y además nos trae esta para darle más volumen a nuestra raíz del cabello si lo tenemos corto y no tenemos raíz. Pues amazing. So este cepillo secador está hecho de turmalina y cerámica. So esto les va a hacer que no les dé tanto frizz en el cabello y se vea brillante. Y si ustedes quieren conseguir ese blower como de salón, solo usan el cabello mojado y listo. I was gonna start, and I love this section on my hair like this because you know I have the long, super long hair. So I hope this is working for me because I need just stuff like this quickly. I'm so lazy to do my hair, and if you are lazy, so I'm gonna try this product and see if it works. So let's gonna start. Was the final result, and I'm loving how my hair looks. So silky, so smooth, any texture at all. And the most amazing thing, it just took me less, I'm gonna be honest guys, less than 6 minutes. So another thing I really like it is big, it's huge here. So I just took a lot the hair at the same time. So if you have like short hair, they're gonna be boom, 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 boom. 2 seconds, literally. It's light, kinda. It's not that bad. Like it's not like thin, but it never. My hands was tired. I think it's kinda light, not that big heavy, but in the middle. Okay. ¿Qué pienso acerca de este producto? Me encantó porque como es grande, coge cabello al mismo tiempo. Si no tienen el cabello tan largo que el mío, no lo tienen que seccionar, solo boom, 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 boom. Si tienes el cabello corto, yo te digo hoy que solo en 5 minutos tu cabello está listo, suave y manejable. Esto es boom, realmente lo continuaré usando. So, chicos, si quieren que yo haga más reviews de este producto comparando este con otro, déjenme saber, y ya saben, súper recomendado. So hey guys, you want me to be reviewing more of those products, let me know down below. If you want a comparison with another same style brush dryer or another product, let me know down below. You know, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on my media, because there I give you more updates about it. So I have nothing else to say. I hope you enjoyed this video as well as I did, and see you the next time. Don't forget to subscribe it on here and leave me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.